cake is ready. Wow! Let's sprinkle some sugar on it. Hello everyone! Welcome to my channel. I'm happy to make something special for here. That is Oreo chacolava cake. For that we need if you have some baking powder, you can put baking powder. I'm in my hometown, so that's why I don't have baking powder, and so that's why I'm using Eno. If you also don't have baking powder, you can also use Eno. And I need four dairy milk chocolate packets and 2 Oreo big packets and a big bowl, 1 cup of milk, the Oreo powder. Biscuits into your blender. Let's make a fine powder of the Oreo biscuit. Oreo biscuit is my Oreo powder is ready. Now let's see how it is. Okay. Ice cream. Let's take it to the other bowl. Now I'm adding Eno into this. Now let's add milk. Wow, my batter is getting ready. I'm crazy to have this. Now my batter is ready. I had to spread the oil to the cups and spread the ghee to the balls. Put the batter into the cups. Let's add chocolates to the cups. Pour your chocolate butter on this. This cooker, I have preheated this cooker before 5 minutes. And without the cooker belt, the bowls into the cooker. You had to put the cups into it and wait. You had to put the lid for it and wait for 10 to 15 minutes for the chacolava. Ready? And you are ready to see this chacolava? I think yes, you are going to see that. Let's see. Good. Let's open the lava cake and my chacolava cake is ready. Wow! Let's sprinkle some sugar on it. Oh yeah! Wow! See? Friends, please help your mom, and your little hands will help your mom, and she loves you so much if you'll help her. Thank you. If you like my channel, please like, share and put so many views in this.